Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to see about so and such. So what is so and such? We often use so and such to mean very or really. It makes the sentence stronger and shows that there is a high level of something. We use so before an adjective or an adverb. The main thing is without a noun, we use adjective and adverb. I also have some examples. The food was so bad that we complained to the manager of the restaurant. Me and my friend had such a wonderful time in Chennai. We didn't want to come home. Your English is so fluent now. How did you improve so rapidly? The Samsung was such an amazing invention, it really changed the world. I think you would understand.